Good morning, 5th grade. This is Ms. Trumino. This video is for Ms. Gonzalez's classes. I'm going to be going over the Restart Chapter 9 questions and providing you with reading assistance. If no one at home is able to read you the questions, you can use this video with me reading the questions to you. So I'm going to show you how to get to the lesson and the actual questions. So up here, it's either going to be reading Bentley, reading Herring, or reading Gonzalez. So you're going to come down first to the reading and writing lesson. You're going to click on that, then click on the Google Slides. Okay, we're going to scroll down to Monday, and you're going to go to Restart Lesson. Okay, and you're going to click on it, and Ms. Gonzalez is going to read you Restart. Okay. Then, after that, you come back here and you go to Restart Questions for Monday. And Chapter 9 questions. Now, these are open-ended questions, so you are going to have to type and just make sure that you are using complete sentences, and she reminds you every time, okay? Remember, there is also a PDF with Chapter 9 for Restart, so you need to go back and use those context clues and go use text evidence to find your answers for these, okay? So, for number 1, why do you think Chase wants to go to community service with Aaron and Bear? Why do you think Chase wants to go to community service with Aaron and Bear? And remember, you can pause this video and jump back to the story, go read, use text evidence, and then after that you can unpause the video and then I can read you the next question. So you can go ahead and pause and go back. Okay? What do you think of the way Aaron and Bear treat the senior citizens? So what do you think of the way Aaron and Bear treat the senior citizens? Okay. You can pause me and go back and read if you need to. Why do you think Chase returned the money? So why do you think he returned the money? Remember, we're writing in complete sentences. And then the last one, why do you think Mr. Solway treated Chase the way he did? So why do you think Mr. Solway treated Chase the way he did? Okay, so remember, with all of these, we're using full and complete sentences. Okay, use text evidence, go back and use the story to help you answer these questions. Okay, let me know if you need anything else.